How to remove your Instagram account from another device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Instagram application. Then go to the profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now from your top right, go to the menu bar. After that, simply go to Account Center and then go to Password and Security. Go to Saved Login, then select Instagram, go back, and then go to where you are logged in. And all the devices that has your account will appear in this section. Simply tap on the device and then select device to log out. After that, select the device and then tap on logout and it will be logged out. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.